welcome to the today online class. Last class we have discussed about square numbers. Okay. So now today we have to discuss the properties of square numbers. See here, the numbers that have 2, 3, 7 or 8 in the unit space are not perfect squares. Okay. So once I recall perfect squares. See here, 1 square equals to 1. Next perfect square number is 4. Why? Because 2 square is 4. 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. 4 4s are 16. Next 5 square means 5 5s are 25. As 6 square means 6 6 are 36. Next 7 square means 7 7s 49. Next 8 square means 8 8s are 64. 9 square means 9 9s are 81. 10 square means 10 10s 100. Okay. So observe carefully these square numbers. Here 1 place 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. Again repeat 6, 9, 4, 1 and 0. Means in units place there is having 0, 1. There is no 2 in units place. Observe carefully here. Is there any 2 in ones place? No. So that's why the numbers that have 2, 3, 7 or 8 in units place are not perfect squares. Next we have to check 3. Here there is no 3 in units place. Observe carefully here. So next 4. 5 in units place. Okay. Next 6 also in units place. Here observe carefully, is there any 7 in units place? No. So that's why 7 also not in units place. So that is not perfect square. Next 8. 8 also not there in any number that not having units place 8. Next 9 is there. So the digits which are having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 in units place, that numbers only the perfect squares. Okay. So what the first property is the numbers that have 2, 3, 7 or 8 in the units place are not perfect squares. Okay. Now I am taking one example. 238. Is it perfect square? No. Directly we can say it is not a perfect square. Why? Because 8 in units place. So it is not a perfect square. Okay. So 144. Is it a perfect square? Yes. 4 in ones place, and also we can write 144 equals to 12 square. Okay. So this is the method to find out is it a perfect square or not. Okay. Exercise 6.1. First bit. What will be the units digit of the square of? So first problem I have taken from the textbook. The remaining I have taken in my phone. So here see 9 in ones place. So what is the square of 9? 9 9s are 81. Here is asking that what will be the units digit of the square of 39. So it's compulsory in units place we are getting the 1. Are you understand? Why? Because we know that 9 square equals to 81. So compulsory the number having the 39 square in units place having only 1. Okay. So in the same way here is asking that 547 square. What is the units digit? Units digit is. What is the units digit here? 7. 7 square equals to how much? 49. Yes or no? So in this 49 the units digit is 9. So the units digit is 9. Okay. Now 2346. The square of 2346 also having the units digit is 6. Why? Because 6 square equals to 6 6 are 36. In the same way here 2 in ones place. So what is the 2 square? 2 square equals to 4. So the units digit having 4. Like this you are having the 6.1 exercise first bit. Some more problems is there from your textbook. You have to do that all. Okay. Okay. Here 6.1 third bit. The following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reason. So what is the reason? You have to observe carefully. First. So what is the reason, ma? Here what are you observing here? Yes. This number is having 257. In units test, which number is there? 7. Now only we have discussed this one. So when 7 is in units test, that is not a perfect square. Okay. So the numbers which are having 2, 3, 7 or 8, having that numbers are not perfect squares. So 7 is units digit or ones place. Units digit. So the number 257 is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Okay. Are you understand? Okay. So like these problems, you have to complete the third bit also. Okay. First bit, second bit and third bit. Okay children. I hope you all are understand. Thank you very much. The next class we have discussed about square roots. Okay.